I fucked up. I fucked up so hard. Oh my, this isn't even funny. I'm like really panicking. So we have my daughter's bird outside, okay? Oh my God, I want you to go feed it and give it water. I accidentally left the fucking food portion. Oh my God, the little lifty. I left the fucking thing open. And now, oh. My daughter doesn't know. She's supposed to take care of the damn bird, okay? Because I'm not even, I take care of the bird. We're trying to teach her responsibility. It's not going well. I still take care of it. That's not the point. Point is once she notices I'm fucking done. Like I am panicking so bad. I left the big door open in hopes that maybe the bird will come back. I don't know. Oh my God, this is just the cherry on top of my fucking day. Stay tuned, I guess.